What up? What's going on out there, man? All day I'm gonna be changing out my exhaust. I got the this right here is the stock Yoshimura exhaust that comes on right here. Be changing out. I'm gonna be installing the M4 exhaust. Throwing it on here, and I'm gonna be getting y'all some sound clips so y'all can hear the difference in between these two exhausts. It's gonna be a lot shorter. The M4s right here. Let y'all see what it looks like. I actually size comparison to the my exhaust I have now. It's gonna sit about right here. It's that bolt right there. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off my side fairing right here. Then I'm gonna start taking off the exhaust. I got my side fairings off now. Now in order to get this my stock exhaust off, all I have to do is take off this nut right here. It's gonna be a nut right here. Take these two off, and it's gonna be a clamp right here. Just loosen up the clamp. This pipe should slide right off. That's my new one's gonna slide in there right there. All right, I got all the bolts off, and this clamp down here is loosened up. I'm gonna go ahead and use some pliers, take these springs off so I can take this section of the pipe off. Then we're gonna try to get this right here out. All right, got the old exhaust off now. That last piece right there, man, I just had to pretty much just like wiggle it, twist it, wiggle it till it came all the way out. Eventually came off though. Old stuff laying right here. New one in the box, about to get it out. Let's go ahead, hopefully it'll be an easy process getting it in. Now this right here is my new muffler. This is the M4. All I gotta do is pretty much just slide it in. Line the hose up in the back. And I can do that right now pretty much. Goes in there pretty easy. That's pretty much lined up right there already. Just leaving a little gap right there, but as soon as you tighten this up, that's gonna be good. Won't have no leaks. Alright, got everything tightened down now. All I had to do is tighten up two bolts. This right here is the bolt that hold the muffler in place. This is the clamp to tighten it down. Now the thing we're gonna do is just put my plastics back on. Start it up, see what you sound like. Alright, got the plastics back on. You see it right there, man. That's what you're looking like. That's the finito, that's the finished product. Old exhaust sitting over here. So there you have it, man. Only thing I got left to do is do some sound checks. So let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. I'm gonna start it up, let it idle for a minute, then I'm gonna rev it up a little bit. Let y'all see what it sounds like compared to the old version that is. The old pipe right there. Let's check it out. y'all. There y'all have it right there, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. So right here, to install the M4 exhaust, slip-on exhaust on a Gixxer 1000, 2006 right here. This will work for the 2005, 2006, up to the 2009s, I believe. This is it, man. Thanks for tuning in. It's me, your host right here, Beats. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Go home.